Hello everyone, my name is Pamela Whitfield and I am from the Harry L. Johnson Museum in Saba. It is a pleasure for me to share with you some thoughts out of Saba in commemoration of Emancipation Day. July 1st, 1863, slavery was abolished in the Dutch Caribbean and on Saba. Now you may ask, how was Emancipation Day remembered in Saba in the past? Well, before these recent years, Emancipation Day in Saba was remembered quietly. It was also a day when the elders, they always tell us about our ancestors and about our freedom. They also told more about the slavery history on Saba. That's how it was commemorated in the past. But in recent years, more thought and commemoration and insight is given to the island's slavery history. And also in these recent times, there is educational programs, activities, and it's celebrated in a day with an official commemoration day, and that's how it's celebrated today.